Hi everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this OMOTON Car Phone Holder. So they sent this to me, so I would like to thank them very much for sending that. I've reviewed car phone holders in the past, and my last one is actually pretty good. It's magnetic, so this one looks like it's going to stick on the air vent. So let's have a look at the packaging. It's quite light, very simple. It looks like it's going to fit an iPhone, so I'm hoping it fits my Samsung S10. Barcode on the side, official information on the back, and then again we just have some features: ergonomic design, polished oxidized surface, silicone protection, and the boxing is very simple. Contact information there, and then we have the manual, very simple, and then we have the mouse. First impressions. I mean, that's easy to use, very straightforward. Pretty confident that is going to fit my phone. Branding on the back, again, it feels very light. You know, again, this is a budget car phone holder, so I wouldn't expect it to be like polished metal. Again, very, very straightforward. Okay, and that looks like it hooks onto the car air vents. So let's go have a test, and then let's go set it up in the car. What you do is you spin this, and this hook will come out, and then I should be able to hook this onto the air vent, and then I can screw it in, make it tighter. So I've got my phone. Now let's try and install it. This case is quite thick. Okay, and there we have it. It is going to move a little bit, but it feels strong enough. Now let's do some driving. So as I'm driving, it is wobbling around a little bit, so maybe I do need to tighten it, but it is staying in place, which is obviously good. I am going to have to move it because it's blocking the switch for the lights. But I do have 3 other air vents in my car. So I've got one here, I've got one there, and I've got one there as well. So look, it's getting in my way here because I need to indicate. Okay, so I'm going to go over a load of bumps. So this should really test out the mount. So I'm driving in Bradford, and the quality of the roads in Bradford are not great. They are quite bumpy. So I think if the mount can handle this, then it should really be able to handle anything. Okay, so I changed my mind and I decided to move it here. I thought it was quite a good place, but obviously if I put the window down, I'm going to be a bit worried about it flying out. So I put it here. I feel like that's a really good location. I have tightened it up and it does feel a little bit more secure. Overall, I'm really happy with it. I've done a bit of testing with it. This is my 2nd day with it, and I like that it's really easy to use. I can still adjust it. It's good value as well. So to be honest, I don't really have anything to complain about this. You know, I'll have to see how long it lasts, and of course I'll update this review. I'll probably put it in the comments, but I can't really fault it, so I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. So there is my overall review of this car phone holder. If you did find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.